welcome to East to Learn. Now we are going to learn about how to program a linked list in data structures. Here we are going to learn how we can program a linked list. If you have skipped the last video where I compared the linked list with a train, I'll have a summary of it. The engine is compared with our starting pointer, whereas the coaches of the train are compared with our nodes, which simply stores data. But observe, these links or connectors between the coaches are like our pointers in node, which points to next node. In this video, we will write a basic simple program to understand this concept well. Here we write a program to create and display the linked list. Let me show you the program. The tip is start writing program for better understanding. So here is the program. Observe why we are using a struct. Our objective is to make a node. Suppose we are making linked list to store integer values, then we require a variable. Here we created a variable data and we have a pointer called next. Now we want them to work as a team, or we can say that we want to merge these two into a single block. That's why we have created a struct called node. Are you worried that you have never seen pointer like this before? Suppose I want to store integer value in a pointer, then I have to create an integer pointer, because the data type of the variable and pointer should be the same in order to avoid the compatibility problems. Observe here, we have a connector. The pointer is pointing to a node. Since the pointer is pointing to a struct whose name is node, the pointer type has to be the same. Now look at this. This is simply a global pointer which will point to the start of the list. Since there is no list yet, it is assigned to null. In C++, you don't have to write struct node asterisk everywhere. You can directly write node asterisk. But if you are using C language, you have to write struct also everywhere you use it. So we have a node pointer here. The return type of this function is node, means it will return a pointer which is pointing to a node. This function will allocate only memory. So this is how it can be done. So we have a pointer called temp. We have struct node here in the memory. It simply points to that. If I have to call this function, then make a pointer like this. Now this function looks too complex, but it is not. It is very easy. I cannot explain this function due to its size. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.